Alright guys, believe it or not, this is my arrma Mojave. If you remember, I had the diff that blew up. I told you I'd show you what happened to it. Unbelievable. Just look at that. Absolute disintegration. More bits lying about here, there and everywhere. So I stripped it all down. Just going to redo the whole car, get it all cleaned up, getting a new shell anyway, so everything's down all cleaned up and things. Also, the damaged parts, there's quite a few actually. The top mount for on top of the diff, that's all, if you have a look here, I don't know if it's camera, I'll show you, it's all chewed up. So I've got replacement ones lying about, so I have to switch that over. Obviously, I don't know if I'm going to put a BLX system back in. I might put another hobby wing, but you can see the mount's all chewed up and things. Don't know if that'd be good for the bearings to sit in like that. Also, here's the other side of the mounting part here, that's all chewed up as well, so pretty destroyed. I thought the bearings might have collapsed, but actually I'd put a whole new set of bearings in the car not long ago. You can see they're still absolutely perfect, so they somehow made it. But yeah, that's just kind of the damage that's been done. So it looks like a lot of work there, but it's not actually too bad. So the car broke down fairly easy. Cleaned it all up. Checking as well, the chassis is still perfectly straight and everything. There's nothing really wrong with the car other than needing the shell and the new diff. So we'll have to get this all back together. The only other thing that I noticed, just when I was checking, because it was all covered in oil from when the diff exploded, so I was cleaning everything out and I took these off. I don't know if you can see, this is the front end. Last little while I found there's a little noise coming from it, nothing much, just sort of a little raspy noise. If you have a look here, I think I have to replace the bearing in here. It's quite loose and the teeth are kind of a bit worn out, so I think this might be slipping at the front end every now and then, so I'll get that replaced too. But other than that, we'll get the car back together fairly soon. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you his diff, because I just think it's absolutely unreal that could happen, how much it's destroyed. Never seen that kind of thing before. But yeah, we'll get the car up soon when I've got all back together. I mean, also, we're changing it to sort of a hobby wing system. I'm going to as well, I've got a couple more receivers for my Fly Sky controller that I got from my Hibeo. So I'm going to link that to here. So my plan is just to get about 10 cars onto this. I wanted to kind of use the one controller. I'm fed up having loads of controllers all the time, so I've just got the one. And the best thing with this one too, it doesn't even take batteries, you just charge it, it's got a lithium battery inside it, so it's absolutely great that way. But yeah, I'll do a custom paint job as well. I'm not sure I'm going to keep the original wheels. I probably will, because they're in good condition. The tyres are all fine too. Bit wet because I've washed everything. Well, washed it as best I can. It's a wee bit dirty in the back, but I'm not worried about that. But yeah, that's my arrma Mojave. So might not look like one just now, but yep, that's my arrma Mojave right there. So I'll show you this guy soon when I've got it all back together. Thanks for watching. Bye.